And away they go in the third of the afternoon at Seoul, and it was Chancellor who was slightly the slowest out. Gang also dropping back. He's quite even up front. Cashback is looking to get across, as is Flash Thunder. They're going to get there too. Coming along for the ride there is Huiparam as well. Selling in behind will be Yongchon Jisang just on the outer of Maestro. Getting squeezed in the middle there is Mane of King by Nemo Prince. After Nemo Prince came Ace Plan. A couple more lengths further back, we find G-Star. In the rear division is V-Queen. Also Chancellor and Okchon-chigang remains at the rear. But Cashback goes on by 2 lengths as they head towards the home straight. Just over 2 furlongs left to run. Flash Thunder between horses. Huiparam just to the outside. They're then followed further back by Yongchon Jisang. Nemo Prince goes wide. Maestro not out of it yet either. Ace Plan. And down the outside will be Mane of King. It is Flash Thunder and Huiparam side by side. Just tiring now is Cashback up on the inside. Several lengths back to Yongchon Jisang. Also Nemo Prince tiring. Out in front is Flash Thunder still. Huiparam putting in a big run. Just 100 to go. The challenge is coming. Mane of King goes well. It is Flash Thunder. Needs the line here. Gets it from Mane of King in second. Huiparam third.